Keep going. I don't think I can run anymore, Jake. My legs hurt so much.
Come on, Anna. Keep going. You are almost at the finish line.
I know, but I'm really tired.
I understand, but think about how good it will feel when we finish. Keep going.
Okay. I will try. But I might slow down.
That's fine. Just keep moving. You are doing great.
Thanks, Jake. I feel a little better now.
See, you can do it. Keep going.
I'm proud of you.
Mom, I was so nervous. I think I made many mistakes.
Sweetie, you were amazing. I'm proud of you.
Really? But I forgot some lines.
Everyone forgets sometimes. What matters is that you tried your best. I'm proud of you.
Thank you, Mom. I feel happy now.
You should be happy. You worked hard, and it showed. I'm proud of you. Can you help me, please?
Excuse me, can you help me, please? I don't know how to print my paper.
Of course. Let's see. Oh, you need to click this button first.
Oh, I see, thank you.
Then choose this option, and your paper will print.
Wow, that was easy. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Anytime.
I was really confused. I'm glad I asked.
Yes, asking for help is always a good idea. Don't worry about it. I'm so sorry, Mia. I spilled coffee on your notebook.
Oh, it's okay. Don't worry about it.
Are you sure? I feel really bad.
Really, it's fine. We can clean it or get a new one. Don't worry about it.
Thanks, Mia. I didn't want to ruin your day.
You didn't ruin anything. It's just a notebook. Don't worry about it.
Let's get started.
Good morning, class.
Good morning, teacher.
Today we have many fun activities. Let's get started.
What's the first activity?
First, we will do a speaking exercise. Then we will read a short story together.
Sounds fun. Let's get started.
Okay, everyone, listen carefully and repeat after me.
I'm not sure.
Should we go to the mountains or the beach this weekend?
I'm not sure. Both sound fun.
I like the mountains, but I also like the beach.
Well, I'm not sure. Maybe we can decide tomorrow when we feel more rested.
That's a good idea. We can sleep on it.
Yes, sometimes it's better to think a little more. I'm not sure right now, but we will decide soon. Good job.
You played really well today.
Thank you, Coach. I tried my best.
And it shows. Good job.
I still made some mistakes, though.
That's okay. Mistakes help you improve. Good job. Keep practicing and you will be even better.
I will, Coach. Thanks for encouraging me.
You deserve it. Good job.
It's not big deal. I'm so sorry, Jake. I accidentally broke your pen.
Don't worry, it's not a big deal.
Are you sure? I feel really bad.
Yes, really. We can just get a new one later. It's not a big deal.
Thanks, Jake. I was afraid you would be upset.
No problem, really, it's not a big deal.
I'm feeling tired.
Hey, do you want to go for a walk?
I would love to, but I'm feeling tired.
That's okay, we can rest today.
Yes, I need some rest. Maybe tomorrow?
Sure. I'm feeling tired too, actually.
Perfect. Let's just relax and watch something.
Sounds good. I'm feeling tired, but happy to relax with you.
That sounds great. Let's watch a comedy movie tonight.
That sounds great. I love comedy movies.
I'll bring snacks too.
Perfect. That sounds great. I'm so excited.
Me too. It will be so much fun.
Yes. I can't wait to start.
Okay, see you tonight.